Good morning and welcome back to my makeup room. This your girl Shay. What's up? Good morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. Okay, so today I'm doing an unboxing, first impressions, makeup of murder. I have been wanting to try this brand literally for years. Okay, years. So now I finally pulled the trigger. I found out who the owner was, and she is a makeup artist. Instagram, Teresa MUA. She is amazing. I did not know she was the owner of this brand. So when I found out that she was the owner of this brand, I had to go and jump on it. So, excuse me, a little raspy this morning, sinus thing kicking off, but yeah, so so let's go ahead and get this thing started. I ripped off the front thing. The way the packaging was fine. I mean, it was securely tight closed. Okay, I did cut the tape, grab it so I can open it. Okay, so here we go, unboxing. Here's my little paper thing. What we got here? Okay. Nose running. Sorry guys for the sniffing. I truly apologize. Okay, I did order a pigment. I love them. They're beautiful. Okay, this is it right here. All right, so let's open it up. The packaging is really cute. Okay, let me move the box over like that so my arm can get in. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Swatch. Okay, you guys can't see this. Well, maybe you can't. There we go. That's it. I would wear this for a highlighter on my face. That's fire. Okay, first impressions. Love packaging. Very cute. You know these are always going to be messy, so you can't even charge them up for the messiness because loose pigments, I can't talk. Never can talk, right? Loose pigments are always going to be messy, so that's just a given. You can't even avoid that. Okay, so what I got here was the case for the highlighters, and I'm gonna order the highlighters, but I wanted to get the case first so I actually need a lot of storage here in my makeup room. I have a whole room for a makeup room, so that's not even the situation. That's not even the problem. And this is very nice. It feels really sturdy, very durable. And I have other pigments that I can put in here too. That was another, I need storage for my stuff. Look at this. Look how cute that is. And opens up. As a matter of fact, I could put some of my little junk in here right now. Look how they fit in there. They're so cute. All my magical makeup stuff. I also have some Glam Goth Beauty pigments. Okay, that one's too big to fit in there. Okay, let me see. I just want to see what can fit. Okay, so even your ColourPop, what do you call these? The Super Shock Shadows, they can fit in here too. Okay, so that's cool. And then I just got some sponges, some crime scene evidence sponges. And we can go ahead and open them up. It's a duo, so you get a large one and you get a smaller one. And those are really cute. I really need some sponges, guys. But I wanted to try theirs since I was making an order. They come in a cute little container storage. Thank you. Need that storage again. And guys, that was really just it. I just wanted to try out the brand, see what it was all about. And I'm quite pleased with my purchase. I'm sorry if it's underwhelming to some of you, but yeah. If some people love unboxings, and if you do, this was mine. So that's that, guys. So, but you can look forward to, I have some more stuff coming from Pastel Rose, the Pastel Rose. I ordered some shadows from them. I ordered some stuff from NBA Cosmetics. If you check my other Instagram page, Lilith Bella Disaster, if you check that one, you see the post for that. Yeah, so just keep your heads up in the air looking, and keep watching my stories, and you'll see what's up. So yeah, have a good Sunday. Have a great week, you guys. See you. Bye.